Here is an Argentine baked ricotta tart. Make 6 servings and takes 1 hour and 10 minutes to prepare and bake. 1 1/2 cups of ricotta cheese, creamy and fresh. 1 cup of all-purpose flour for the crust. 2 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter, cubed for the dough. 1 large egg for the crust binder. 2 tablespoons of cold water to bring the dough together if needed. 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for savory depth in the filling. 2 large eggs to enrich the ricotta filling. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar for a subtle sweetness. 1 small onion, finely chopped and lightly sautéed until translucent. 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg for warm aroma. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and have a 9-inch tart pan ready. Combine 1 cup of flour with 2 tablespoons of cold cubed butter and rub with your fingertips until the mixture is crumbly. Add 1 large egg and 2 tablespoons of cold water and mix quickly until the dough just comes together. Do not overwork the dough. Press the dough evenly into the tart pan, trim edges, and chill in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. In a bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of ricotta, 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Add the sautéed small onion, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and mix until the filling is smooth. Pour the ricotta filling into the chilled crust and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake the tart at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes until the top is lightly golden and the filling is set. Remove the tart from the oven and let it rest at room temperature for 20 minutes to finish setting. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Slice the tart into 6 portions and serve warm or at room temperature. This is the final step. Enjoy the tart and thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. The Argentine baked ricotta tart is ready. It serves 6 and took 1 hour and 10 minutes from start to finish. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more recipes.